Well, a lot of our customers, and really what we like to test here is probably the deburring even more than the washing. Our customers, they're currently deburring, right? You're a machine guy. Every hole that you drill, you're making a burr. So you'll go into a lot of shops and they might have a bench full of people that are hand deburring that. Well, how can you get the consistency when if I'm deburring it and you're deburring it and some other lady's deburring it, we're all going to have different results there. We might miss a hole. We're human. We're going to make mistakes. So that's one reason that people will come to me. Hey, I want something that's repeatable, that's going to hit every spot every time. And that's why they come to us. Others, they might do a thermal deburring or something like that. Oftentimes they've got to pick the part up, send it out. It has to go to that thermal deburring, which is a dirty process, then come back in, rewash the part. The benefit you're kind of getting with deburring with the high pressure water, I'm also cleaning your part too. So all the chips and all of that are out of there. So I think there's certain advantages over the thermal deburr and the hand deburring, and then just some other technologies where you might be using a robot to manipulate your part in front of some high pressure nozzles for deburring. But over time, robots, they're just not as accurate as a CNC. They'll get drooped, they get things like that, and that's why our customers come to us, is that they know we can hit exactly where we need to.
Couple reasons, okay? Deburring with high pressure water, for one, you're cleaning the part as you're removing the excess product. The classification really has a lot to do with deburring, okay? Some products, we can do deburring all the way up to a class 4. Most customers aren't going to know what that means. Basically, it's a number 2 pencil that you can actually push the burr over. That's a class 4. Once it goes above that, we're going to have to use a tool. That's where our other models come in. We can actually use a tool to do that, to help you along. Brush, tool, Bearquan, whatever. Whatever it's going to be, we can do that.